Hello, Mason here from Cooking with Dad, and today we are back with another video. Today we're going to be cooking white chicken spaghetti. Let me get on to the ingredients. You're going to need some spaghetti, some chicken stock, some cream of chicken, some black pepper, some salt, some chopped green chilies, some parsley, some garlic powder, some onion powder, some Creole seasoning, some chicken breast, and 2 packs of sharp cheddar cheese. I am now boiling 12 cups of hot water in the pot. Wait, hey Dad, can you bring the chicken stock in here?
Yes, I can.
Oh, well, thank you.
Guys, we're going to add 32 ounces of chicken stock to this water.
It's a lot of chicken stock.
Well, the reason we're adding it is because we're using just chicken breast and not boiling a whole chicken. So you have to make up for that. Now, you can go ahead and add that chicken into there.
Never touched fried chicken or whatever it's called. Breast chicken.
Fried chicken.
Yeah.
It's raw, buddy. On with it.
Oh yeah.
Easily drop it in.
I thought there was going to be a sizzle, but I guess not.
Now when it's done boiling, we'll shred it up, put it to the side, and go on to the next step.
Okay, so now, hold on 1 second. Please like this video, and please do for more vids, and 3, 2, 1. Like this video right now!
So Mason took too long to shred the chicken, so I decided to use something real to do it faster. Now, you may not want to try this at home, but I did, and it worked well. What we're going to do now is we're going to put the spaghetti in the pot, and take notice that I still kept the water with the chicken stock and all of that to boil the spaghetti in. So we're going to just throw that in there. We'll let it go. Probably going to take about 12 minutes to be al dente. I might undercook it so that when we put it in the oven here in a minute, because I'm going to do it casserole style. I never have tried that. I like it. So it can cook thoroughly. We'll be right back here in a little bit.
Now, I'm going to have the master add 3 seasonings to the shredded chicken.
While we're waiting on the spaghetti to boil, we're going to put some black pepper on the chicken. And it's probably not going to be but about a teaspoon. Okay. A little bit of garlic powder.
And the 3 seasonings that he's going to be adding is going to be Creole seasoning, black pepper, and garlic powder.
The reason why we're adding the Creole is because it has that little red pepper taste and everything like that. So, and of course, everything I cook, I have to put something that has to do with Louisiana in it. Stir it up.
Got to get it all around.
When the noodles are done, we're going to put them in a casserole dish. Actually, it's too shallow to be a casserole dish. I hope I have enough. Probably have too much, but we'll go to the next step here in a minute. We'll see you then. Guys, the spaghetti is done. We're going to go ahead and mix everything together. And we're going to come over to the pot with the chicken. Put it in there. So I got 2 cans of green chilies. One's strained, one's not. I want that juice in there. Two cans of cream of chicken. it up a little bit. So we have the spaghetti over there. Mason, will you come pour the spaghetti in here?
Yes, I will. Woo!
Why don't you open one of those packs of cheese, brother?
Okay. There we go.
Okay. We're not going to put a lot in here. We're going to put it on the top. Stir it up. We're going to come back in just a second. We'll have it in that little Pyrex dish. Got it put in the pan. We're going to put it in the oven, 375, for about 25 minutes. I have a curveball for you though. Going to put some breadcrumbs on the top of it so it can have a crust. So what we'll do is we'll put some cheese, of course. I've never done this, but I think it might work. Let's just see how it happens. In the oven, 375. 20 to 25 minutes.
It been a bit longer than I expected, about 30 minutes. I'm gonna let it sit for another 10 minutes. It has been about 10 minutes. I've served the food onto a plate, and in a minute, we're gonna taste test it.
How about we do it right now?
Oh yeah, how about that? Okay, so what you gotta do is that you gotta coat it like this flavorish food. Heck yeah. What you gotta do is that you gotta cut it all the way. Then, gotta get some of that chicken up in there.
That sure is a big bite.
Oh yeah, you gotta be a man to eat this. Oh yeah, and my special word to say, bon appetit. Good. Delicious. Now go, man.
Not sure I can pull off what you just did. We'll get a little bit of everything on there. Guys, this is the first time I've ever made this. It's magnificent.
I know it is.
If you like our channel, please like, subscribe, comment down below, and we'll see you next time.
Cooking with Dad. Peace.